Hey everyone, so in today's video, what I was thinking about doing is another holiday glam tutorial for you. I know the last one I did was holiday glam inspired as well. It was more on the darker side. I did more like of a cranberry colored eye and a darker lip, which is more dramatic. It's definitely fits the theme of the holiday, but I wanted to do today more of a holiday inspired glam, which I was thinking about doing an entire red, like monochromatic look. So red on the eyes, red on the lip. I already started off with my foundation routine on. I prepped and primed my skin. I added foundation. I baked and I contoured, bronzed, blushed. So instead of doing that entire thing today, I'm just gonna focus on my eye makeup, so then that way you can see step by step how I achieve this holiday glam. And please keep watching. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to start off by using my Midnight Masquerade Disney Designer eyeshadow palette. It's from ColourPop. I bought this palette in October, just before Halloween, because for Halloween I was Elsa and my daughter was Anna. So I wanted to do something where her and I can do like makeup together off of this palette. I also bought it for her, so her and I use it so when we do like dress up and stuff or play princess, because that's what 3-year-old girls like. Well, I know I did at that age, so I thought, why not buy it? So I just ordered the entire collection, so hopefully it's here before Christmas so I can do another fun glam look for you. But so to start off this look, I'm using the color Gaston. It looks like a brick red. It looks like a brick red just because of the lighting, but it's really not. It's more of like a cherry, like a dark cherry, but it's a really nice color. And I don't have an exact red color for this look, but I've done it before. So well, I haven't done it before with these exact colors, but I'm going to do some mixing with other palettes that I have. So to start off this look, I'm just going to use, I bought this brush as a pack. It's an Eco Tools brush. It's a fluffy brush. Just dipping it. So this is just a quick eye makeup. It's not really too much detail. Just to have it more precise, I'm putting this on the corner of my eye and starting off just like so. And I'm literally bringing it up into my outer V and then my crease, bringing it in just a little tiny bit, because I almost kind of like how this looks, and then it looks like a real thick winged liner. So I tried my hardest to do an actual talk through of this entire video. I wasn't able to. I had people come over and there were people making noise in the backgrounds, even with my door closed in my room. It just wasn't possible. So I'm just going to finish off the video as a voiceover, and hopefully the next video I am able to do an actual talk through. So what I am doing now, well, what I was doing before, but I usually break off a little piece of the card, of a card or an actual business card, to make a more precise line for my eyelash application. I just put that on the corner of my eyelid and apply the color. And I was pressing the color into the inner eyelid. Then I went and picked up more of a magenta color and applied it to my entire eyelid. Sorry for the banging. I literally have to hide to do these voiceovers because my 3-year-old is out of control. So when she doesn't see me, she like goes nuts. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing that I applied The same color that I applied on my left eye, I am also applying it on my right eyelid. I really wish that I could have did a talk through. I really wanted to do it for this YouTube video, but next time. Okay, so now what I did was take an actual cream shadow that I had that was like a little bit of a darker red. I forgot to show it on the video, and I applied it on my eyelids. It's a cream shadow, so I wanted to set it. So with that first color that I started out with, it's called Gaston. I applied just a little bit over the cream color that I applied prior, just to set it. And then I am, with a flat brush, bringing the color down onto my lower lash line. I then, from that same Midnight Masquerade eyeshadow palette, am taking the white glitter color. This color I also used for Halloween when I was Elsa. It's a great glitter. It's best used with a cream eyeshadow or with an adhesive. It sticks better, and when you do apply it, make sure to wet your brush for an easier application. So the glitter kind of looks gold. What I did was, instead of leaving it white, the white color, which I should have, because then it would have made the appearance of like snow. And then since we're in winter, or going into winter, I just blended it into my eyeshadow, and it gave the appearance of gold and red glitter. The ring light that I have doesn't do any justice with the actual pigment of the glitter powder that I use, but the pictures that I will take later and post on my Instagram, you will be able to see the actual look, an overall look and finish of it. So for eyelashes, I always use the Vegas Nay eyelash kit all the time. I always order. I have boxes upon boxes. I just like the way that it fits my my eyes. It goes on smoothly. I never have an issue. They're easy to take off, and I do take care of them. I get like 2 or 3 uses out of them, and I don't care if people say, oh, that's disgusting. I don't care. These eyelashes are like $12, which I should be getting eyelash extensions, but it's just difficult for me because I rub my eyes a lot and I forget. So I'm applying that to the other lash. My other eyelashes too, onto my other eye. Oh, I forgot to mention I added a little bit of glitter on my underlash, on my under eyelashes, just to give it that illusion of glitter there also. So next, what I am doing is I'm going back in with the glitter powder. Oh, that's what I'm doing now, actually. I thought I did that. I am taking my angled brush and just applying a few more little sparkles into my corner eyelid, just to make it a little bit more sparkly and fun. I really do love this palette. This palette is awesome. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I ordered the entire Disney Princess Midnight Masquerade set with the lip glosses and the lip liners. I literally can't wait to get it. I'm like obsessed with it. It's so much fun to use. There's so many things to do with it, so many colors. And yeah, I love it. It's amazing. I bought it at Ulta, by the way, too. So next, what I am doing is applying my mascara to my under eyelashes. I am using the Volume Lash, or Voluminous. I think it's that one. No, actually, I think it's Million Lashes by L'Oreal. It's the gold colored mascara stick. And this has been my go-to for a lot of years. I recently started using, again, the Better Than Sex mascara. I really like that one, but I don't use it as much. I usually use it when I am actually going out. And I'm just gently applying that to my under eyelash, just because I don't want it to rub off on my actual skin or take off any of the glitter that I had just applied. Then I am applying to my upper eyelids and eyelashes so that blends together so you don't see any of the eyelash glue. So next what I'm using is a Rimmel, excuse my face there, there was something covering, like a dirt covering the name of this lip liner. It's from Rimmel London. I think it's called Enchantress. I'm not really sure. I will get the name for you and I will list it below. And I'm just outlining my lips. And I do a thick lip line most of the time just because I color it in with a different color, and then I apply either the gloss, which most of the time it's going to be gloss because I'm into more the glossy lips nowadays. Even though I do love matte, I do absolutely love a good matte lip. It's just that I'm into the lip gloss, and a lot of days I don't even wear lipstick. I just wear tinted lip gloss. So then I picked up this NARS mini lipstick stick. I've had it for a little while, and then I went into my makeup drawer and I found it, and this is actually like a velvet matte lip pencil. So I'm just gently filling in my lips and going in over the lip liner that I first used. And then I'm going in with this Revlon liquid lipstick velvet color just to brighten up my lips so they're not such a dull red, but they are more of like a candy apple red. And that sums up my video. I really wish I did a talk through. I will try the next time to do one, so when there's nobody home and no one's visiting and I have my quiet space and my quiet time. But I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope that maybe you can recreate the same look. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and thumbs up. You can go visit my Instagram account at Gia Rose Aesthetics with 2 S's. And I hope you guys have a happy holiday and stay safe.